Hi there. In this lesson, we will review our knowledge of decimals. Decimals, also known as decimal fractions, are what you get when you divide out fractions in base 10. We will come back to that detail when we talk about number bases. For example, the fraction 3 over 4 becomes 0.75 as a decimal. How did we get that? We can either use long division or a calculator to achieve this. Let's try the calculator first. 3 divided by 4 gives 0.75. Using long division, we have 4 is bigger than 3 and hence cannot divide 3. So we write 0 on top of the table and add a decimal point. Adding a decimal point allows us to add 1 0 at a time to the digit under the table until there are no remainders in the division process. So we add 0 to 3 and that gives us 30. 4 divides 30 7 times. So we write 7 on top after our decimal point. 7 times 4 gives us 28. We write 28 under 30 and subtract. That gives us 2. We put 0 after 2 and that gives us 20. If we divide 20 by 4, we get 5. So we write 5 beside 7. 5 times 4 gives us 20. We write this 20 under the 20 we had before and subtract. That leaves no remainder. Hence, we terminate the process. Therefore, 3 over 4 is the same as 0.75. This is how we convert fractions to decimals. Let us take another example. Convert two whole number, 2 over 5, to decimal fraction. We can go about this in two ways. The first method requires that we remember that 2 whole number, 2 over 5, is equal to 2 plus 2 over 5. So convert 2 over 5 to decimal fraction and add the decimal fraction back to 2. The other method is to first convert the mixed fraction to improper fraction and then convert the improper fraction to decimal fraction directly. To convert 2 over 5 to decimal, we use our long division method or a calculator. Using our long division method, 5 cannot go into 2, so we write 0 and add a decimal point. We add 0 to 2 and have 20. 5 goes in 20 4 times, so we write 4 on top after the decimal. 5 times 4 gives us 20. 20 minus 20 gives us 0, and hence the process is terminated. This means 2 over 5 is equal to 0.4. Therefore, 2 plus 2 over 5 becomes 2 plus 0.4, and that is equal to 2.4. We first convert 2 whole number, 2 over 5, to improper fraction for the second method. 2 whole number, 2 over 5 is equal to 2 times 5 plus 2 over 5. That is equal to 10 plus 2 over 5, and that is equal to 12 over 5. To convert 12 over 5 to decimal, we use our long division or our calculator. Using our long division method, 5 can go into 12 twice, so we write 2 on top of the division table. 2 times 5 gives us 10. 12 minus 10 gives us 2. 5 cannot go into 2, so we put a decimal point beside the 2 on top of the table. We then add 0 to 2 and have 20. 5 goes into 20 4 times, so we write 4 on top after the decimal point. 5 times 4 gives us 20. 20 minus 20 gives us 0, and hence the process is terminated. Therefore, 2 whole number, 2 over 5 is equal to 12 over 5, and that is equal to 2.4. We can also convert decimals to fractions. We'll get to do that in another lesson.